So what do you think, buddy? Seeing the planes up close, you still want to get pilot? Oh yeah. You want to check out the Marine plane? Oh, we got the Navy over here.
Fly to another airport, get some lunch, fly back, and then if we take
Absolutely. So big things. We got that's the emergency hatch. If we have an emergency, we go out that way. So the big levers right there. Those are the power levers. So one for the left engine, one for the right engine.
Come on, Lennon, explain to you, baby.
And then these levers right here. They're like a gearbox for a car. So as you push them forward, it's going to move the angle of the propellers. So how they hit the air, basically. It's like a regular gearbox.
Stand out front of it. It's okay. That's a great introduction.
What?
You want to get buckled in? Would you like him to buckle you in? You want the seatbelt?
You can see the parts of the plane, maybe. You can look up. See all the wires.
You want to say anything before you go? You can say anything. Up there, buddy.
I was like, I'll find you before we leave. Okay, yeah, without doubt. Absolutely.